I'm gonna call it a one-pot deliciousness of goodness. By the time I post this video, I'm sure that I will have a title for this dish. But right now, as I'm recording and as I'm cooking, I don't. It's not paella, it's not jambalaya, it's not stir fry, but what it is a fiesta Mexican type spiced rice with mussels, shrimp, and chorizo. So if you have some suggestions for names, I hope you put them in the comments below for this. I don't know. I'll come up with a name, I hope. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today, as I just mentioned, we are making this beautiful dish with chorizo, some seafood, and some beautifully flavored rice all in one pot. Easy to make, easy cleanup, and not a ton of ingredients. Let's go to the stove top as we put it all together and layer these flavors in. Start with your pan at medium-high heat with some oil on the bottom, and let's saute up some shallots, green onions, and garlic. Once that's all soft, we're gonna add in 4 cups of rice, and I like using chicken stock or vegetable stock instead of water for my rice. We are gonna give it a little bit of mixing and add in our spices. I have concocted here some chili powder, garlic powder, some Caribbean blend spices, as well as dry parsley flakes. Right on top of that, I'm adding a can of corn with the juice of that corn in there and half a cup of stewed tomatoes. All that extra moisture is gonna give our rice a really nice texture. Give it a good mixin'. I want all those flavors to come together. And as the time goes by, you'll see all that liquid get soaked into the rice. Now, before everything is cooked out, I am gonna add my chorizo sausage, all nice and sliced up into this dish. Just mix it all around so that all those flavors start soaking, or continue soaking, I should say. Once your rice is pretty much cooked, this is where we add in our seafood. I am adding some mussels in and just kind of squishing them into the rice so that they open up from all the warmth and cooking. And you can turn down your heat down to a low medium here. Seafood does not take long to cook, so this is our last step. We cover it up, and within 6 to 7 minutes, you'll see those shells open up. I like to give it a good mix. You don't need to, but I just have stirring obsessions. You are ready to eat this. Thank you for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. I really truly appreciate when you hang out, especially till the end. And I hope you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these funny episodes. Fun episodes, was it funny? I'm not sure. Fun episodes, making, great dishes in the kitchen. I'm hoping that I inspire you to try new things at home. This channel has lots of recipes, and I also give lots of tips and tricks on just household everyday things to do in the kitchen, as well as photography, food photography, video, things like that as well. Join me again. See you next time.